You ever wondered what really bad wheel bearings sound like? Here's your chance to find out. This truck is absolutely got trash wheel bearings. Take a listen. Your wheel bearings definitely should not roar like that. Never. The question is, when you own a vehicle that has bad wheel bearings like this, how do you not notice it making that much racket? That's not even 10 mile an hour maybe? I mean, imagine this thing at 50 and 60. It would be ridiculous. I mean, you could feel it in the whole truck. That right there is what you call trashed wheel bearings. Definitely what you call trashed wheel bearings. Can't get no worse than that, besides locking up.